Since the late 1980s, marine biologists have been shooting whales with crossbows to get samples of their skin and blubber, which sounds pretty medieval, but there wasn't a better way to get at the genetic material and fat the researchers needed to study things like their genealogy and how polluted their environment was. While hanging out on a boat following whales, a researcher named Ian Kerr was showered in buckets of water and smelly mucus that had been shot out as part of the whale's spout. And he thought, why not collect this stuff instead? It might sound kind of gross, but whale snot, also called whale spout or sometimes whale blow, is full of clues that can tell researchers about the whale's health or life stage. These are things like cells from the surface of the lungs or mucus, proteins, fats, bits of DNA or nucleic acids. Kerr was also a fan of drones, or uncrewed aerial vehicles, and thought the tech could be used to collect this whale snot as well. The idea of a flying snot robot was born. Each drone is kitted out with 6 petri dishes that collect the goo. Researchers will sit on a boat hundreds of meters away from the whale, launch the drone 20 meters into the air, and hover over a whale and collect its exhaled breath when the time is right. And it's great because the aerial vehicles allow scientists to stay far away from the animal and not stress them out with their presence. Plus, the machines are fast and maneuverable, perfect for catching up with a speedy animal or one that only pops up occasionally, like a surfacing whale. And several research groups have already put their own snot-collecting robots to good use. For example, in a 2018 study, Gemma Geoghegan and colleagues sequenced the virus genomes found in eastern Australian humpback whale spout to learn more about how viruses take hold when the animals are stressed and how they're passed around. And in 2021, a marine mammal professor named Shannon Atkinson and her team used whale spout to assess the health of humpback and blue whales in Alaska, including measuring some of their hormones and screening for diseases.